What is power electronics? Welcome to this presentation on power electronics. In this session, we'll explore what power electronics is, why it's important, where it's used, and the key components that make it possible. Definition: Power electronics is a specialized branch of electrical engineering focused on the conversion, control, and conditioning of electrical energy using electronic devices. It enables us to efficiently convert electrical power from one form to another, for example, from AC to DC, or DC to AC, depending on the application. Importance of power electronics: Power electronics is vital in modern technology. It allows efficient energy conversion, which is crucial in renewable energy systems like solar and wind power. It's also a core technology behind electric vehicles and motor drives. Beyond that, power electronics improve the performance of devices while reducing power loss, and they are used in designing reliable power supplies for both industrial and consumer electronics. Applications: Power electronics are used in a wide range of applications. We have DC-DC converters used in mobile chargers and power regulators, AC-DC converters or rectifiers used in power supplies, DC-AC converters or inverters used in solar systems and UPS, and AC-AC converters used in variable frequency drives. From chargers and UPS systems to electric motor controls, power electronics are everywhere. Key components: The main building blocks of power electronics include power semiconductor devices like diodes, MOSFETs, and IGBTs, which handle high power levels. Passive components such as inductors, capacitors, and transformers that shape and filter the signals. And control circuits, usually microcontrollers or digital signal processors, that regulate how these devices operate to achieve desired output performance. Advantages: Power electronics offer several key benefits. They enable high efficiency, meaning less energy is wasted. Systems become compact and lightweight. They have a fast dynamic response, adapting quickly to load changes. And they provide high reliability and design flexibility, making them suitable for many modern applications. Conclusion: In conclusion, power electronics is the heart of modern power conversion and control systems. It bridges the gap between electrical and electronic engineering, enabling innovations in renewable energy, transportation, and smart devices. Understanding this field is crucial for anyone involved in energy systems or modern electronics.